Why you should start to drink green juice every day. If you are a fitness lover, then you must have heard about the merits of adding green leafy veggies to your diet so many times before. And they are praiseworthy for all the right reasons. Same way, green juices are also essential to maintain your fitness. Drinking green juice is one of the biggest health and wellness trends of the last decade. In this video, you will know why you should drink green juice, so further you can determine whether to add it to your routine. At last, I will also give you a simple recipe for green juice. So, stay tuned with us till the end. Green juice is a beverage that made from the juices of green vegetables. Green vegetables are a rich source of healthy fiber, antioxidants, phytonutrients. Also, packed with natural minerals, vitamins, folate, vitamin C, potassium, and much more. Green vegetables have several active plant enzymes that are needed by the body daily. It is the most natural and bioavailable type of nutrition that is easily absorbed by the body when taken in the form of juice. They provide a wide variety of nutrients that can improve your immune system, energy levels, detoxification efforts, and gut health. Let's take a look at some important benefits of green juice, which will inspire you to add it to your routine. Number 1. Alkalizes the body. Having an acidic body is a major cause of many health problems. This is due to consuming processed food or having alcohol. To neutralize the excess acid, the body starts pulling buffering minerals from elsewhere to maintain your pH level. That's causing mineral deficiencies in your body. That will lead to a wide range of issues including weak bones, fatigue, stiff joints, and digestive problems. To avoid such types of health problems, consuming your green juice first thing in the morning is the best way. Fresh leafy veggies and fruits can dramatically balance your pH levels and keep you energized for long. Number 2. It hydrates well your body. Green juices contain mostly water that aids in hydration, especially in the morning. At that time, our bodies are low in energy. Instead of consuming tea or coffee, like people usually drink. But, it is way better to go for a glass of green juice. It will help you flush out the body, and also hydrate your organs with good amounts of electrolytes, which helping them become more alkaline. Number 3. It's good for gut health. Green juices contain digestive enzymes and prebiotics. Some higher quality green juices even contain probiotics and good bacteria. They are recognized for supporting gut health. All these substances can dramatically improve the health of your gut. That's why drinking green juice every day can be a good habit to maintain your gut health. Number 4. Improves energy levels. Daily intake of fresh juices every morning on an empty stomach will give you more energy throughout the day, and also uplift your mood. The variety of minerals, vitamins, and phytonutrients will prevent you from getting sick and aid in premature aging. Number 5. Helps your skin glow. Green juice tends to add glow to your face and keeps your skin healthy and radiant. Plus, the hydration and gut healing benefits of green juice make sure your skin is glowing from inside out. You might want to consider drinking the juice made of tomatoes, cabbages, carrots, and radishes. Number 6. High on bioavailable nutrients. Green juice contains natural vitamins and minerals in its most bioavailable form. With nutritional cofactors and enzymes intact, they are easily absorbed. Your body simply gets more natural vitamins out of green juice than it does a standard. Number 7. Helps in weight loss. Green juices are low in calories and high in nutrients. It helps in improving metabolism, as they can be used for weight loss when consumed with other sources of carbs and protein. So, green juice can be a great substitute for a morning breakfast or mid-evening snack too. Apart from that, due to a high level of antioxidants, it slows down skin aging and improves your immune system. After knowing all the important benefits, let's explain one simple recipe for green juice. For this energizing juice recipe, you will need orange, carrot, collard greens, pear, and ginger. Write down the ingredients. 1 carrot, unpeeled and diced. 1 medium pear, unpeeled and diced. 1 cup, 6.8 ounces. Orange juice, 1 collard green leaf, chopped. 1 sliced ginger. Then combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Drink right after, without straining. As per nutritionists, it is better to drink this juice in the morning while fasting. Further, if you are interested in more recipes like this, please check out the link in the description. You will get a free copy of easy recipes. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe for getting regular updates. Thanks for watching this video.